In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove the power switch on a Dell 3847 desktop computer. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to remove the side cover. There should be two screws right here. One here and one here. So I already removed one, I'm going to take the other one out. Okay, once the screws are removed, you just pull this. It comes out. You have three clips here. You gently lift them up. It comes off. Now this is the button right here, as you can see. When you press it, this plastic pushes in, and right here is the actual button. So inside, right over here, you have clips. These clips have to be pushed in, and then this whole switch will push its way out to the other side. Push both tabs inward, and then on the bottom, there you go. That's how it comes out. The switch is right here. You push this in, and that's how it turns on. You can hear it click. Now you could take the actual switch out, which is right here, just by pushing these two wires in, and just lifting it through this slot right here, and here's the actual switch. To put it back in, just slide it right on top. The wires themselves, like so, and you can just push it in, and it's installed. Now to remove the switch, just so you can see, there's the wire right here. So you just follow it. You can see right here, there's the clip. And it's right there where my finger is pointing to. That's the socket right there. You have to pull this out. Right there. So you just pull this out. There you go. That's how to remove the switch. You could just replace the new one now. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.